मेरा नाम अंतरा सरकार है और मैं क्रिएटर हूँ संडे क्लास। मैं ऑल्सो को फाउंडर हूँ ऑफ द पिंक इंजन विच इज़ माई ओन बिजनेस।
Sunday class, yeah, that's my family for me. You know, people talk about their kids proudly. I talk about the Sunday class kids proudly. Today's education teaches us how to earn a living, not how to live life.
हमने संडे क्लास ज्वाइन किया तो हमें पता चला कि लड़कों को भी उतना ही काम करना है जितना हमें करना है। हमें इक्वालिटी पता चली।
स्कूल में हम एंजॉय नहीं कर पाते लाइफ को, बस रटना पड़ता है।
संडे क्लास में हम आते हैं, हमें मैम बताते हैं कि क्या चीज़ कैसे है।
मैंने संडे क्लास में आके सीखा कि तुम पढ़ोगी, तुम्हारे ऊपर राइट्स है कि तुम किसी से शादी करोगी या तुम्हें कैसी लाइफ जीनी है।
यूजुअली स्कूल्स में क्या है कि अगर पीरियड्स रिलेटेड बात होती है तो सिर्फ गर्ल्स के लिए होती है, बॉयज़ को बुलाया ही नहीं जाता।
आज के एपिसोड की शुरुआत क्यों ना एक शेर से की जाए। अर्ज किया है रविवार का दिन है, सुबह है सुहानी। स्वागत है आप सबका एपिसोड 3 में। करते हैं शुरू बदलाव की एक और नई कहानी। हम आज आए हैं दिल्ली से दूर ग्रेटर नोएडा में। आज हम आपको मिलवाने लाए हैं अंतरा मैम और उनके 1 नहीं 2 नहीं 3 नहीं बल्कि पूरे 15 विद्यार्थियों से। चलिए आपको ले चलते हैं अंतरा मैम और उनकी द संडे क्लास में।
नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज की बातचीत का सिलसिला शुरू होगा संडे क्लासेस के फाउंडर अंतरा मैम और अनुरूप सर से। तो चलिए आज की बातचीत शुरू करते हैं।
मेरा नाम अंतरा सरकार है और मैं क्रिएटर हूँ संडे क्लास विच इज़ अ फ्री स्टेम स्कूल फॉर अंडर प्रिविलेज चिल्ड्रन। मैं ऑल्सो को फाउंडर हूँ ऑफ द पिंक इंजन विच इज़ माई ओन बिजनेस, माई स्टार्टअप, जहाँ पे हम इंडियन रेलवे ट्रेन्स के मॉडल्स बनाते हैं यूजिंग 3D प्रिंटिंग। एंड आई हैव ग्रेजुएटेड फ्रॉम ब्रिट्स पिलानी एंड आई हैव बीन वॉलंटियरिंग फॉर द लास्ट 18-19 ईयर्स।
दैट्स गुड टू नो। तो स्टार्टिंग से स्टार्ट करते हैं। जैसे आपने बताया संडे क्लासेस, तो ये जो नाम है संडे क्लासेस, ये कैसे पड़ा?
तो बेसिकली जब संडे क्लास का आइडिया आया तो मेरा एक रूल है संडे क्लास का कि ऑल द किड्स हैव टू बी इन नॉर्मल स्कूल, तो और कोई डे का ऑप्शन नहीं था, तो हमने संडे शुरू किया एंड ऑनेस्टली संडे क्लास बुलाने लग गए एंड द नेम स्टक। सो वी डिडंट रियली थिंक ऑफ अ नेम बट इट स्टक एंड एवरीबडी स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग इट दैट एंड इट जस्ट सीम्ड लाइक द अप्रोप्रिएट नेम फॉर इट।
हर किसी की लाइफ में कुछ टर्निंग पॉइंट्स होते हैं, कुछ इवेंट्स होते हैं जिन्हें आज की जनरेशन कहती है कैनन इवेंट्स। द इवेंट्स दैट लेड यू हियर वेयर यू आर टुडे। तो व्हाट वर द इवेंट्स दैट यू परस्यूड, दैट यू लुक्ड आफ्टर, जो आज आप यहाँ पर हो?
एक तो जैसे मैंने कहा कि मैं वॉलंटियरिंग पिछले मतलब जब से मैं कॉलेज में थी तब से मैं करती थी। तो उसी दौरान लाइक एज इन द नेक्स्ट 10-12 ईयर्स क्या हुआ कि मैं इस एरिया में एक सरकारी स्कूल है तो मैं वहाँ पे गई वॉलंटियर करने के लिए फॉर 1 hour a week टू टीच इंग्लिश। बट वेरी सून आई रियलाइज़ कि ज़्यादातर बच्चे क्लास 4 and 5 के बाद ड्रॉप आउट्स हो जाते हैं। सो गर्ल्स आर केप्ट एट होम एंड वो डोमेस्टिक हेल्प का काम करते हैं, बॉयज़ आर लाइक लेबरर्स एंड ये। सो फॉर मी दैट वॉज द टर्निंग पॉइंट बिकॉज हम दिल्ली से कुछ 25-30 किलोमीटर्स दूरी पे है, ये हमारा कैपिटल है एंड दिस इज़ द कंडीशन कि यहाँ के इतने नज़दीक है कैपिटल के हमारे देश के एंड हमारे बच्चे स्कूल नहीं जा रहे, ड्रॉप आउट्स है, चाइल्ड लेबरर है एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू चेंज दैट एंड दैट इज़ द आइडिया, द टर्निंग पॉइंट फॉर मी एंड द आइडिया ऑफ हाउ संडे क्लास वॉज बोर्न।
फिर उसके बाद कैसी जर्नी रही? आज से करीबन 8 या 9 साल पुरानी बात बता रहे। फिर वो जो 8-9 ईयर्स की जर्नी है वो कैसी रही आपकी?
Good and hard. So I will not, it's not a bad journey but it is a very hard journey. It's a very difficult journey. Every day जब मैंने भी स्टार्ट किया था of course मुझे भी आइडिया नहीं था कि क्या क्या हो सकता है, क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती हैं, तो मेरे लिए भी एक लर्निंग, पूरा इवेंट ही मेरे लिए ये लर्निंग है। बट बहुत बैरियर्स हैं इन ट्राइंग टू गेट चिल्ड्रन एजुकेटेड।
आइडिया के बाद एग्जीक्यूशन होता है।
करेक्ट।
एग्जीक्यूशन में क्या क्या स्टेप्स रहे?
हाँ, सो एग्जीक्यूशन का क्या हुआ कि बिकॉज वो सरकारी स्कूल में आई वॉज वॉलंटियरिंग एंड मैं हर बच्चे के घर घूम घूम के जो ड्रॉप आउट्स बच्चे थे उनको मैं स्कूल वापस लाई थी। सो आई न्यू द कम्युनिटी एंड द कम्युनिटी न्यू मी बाई देन। तो क्या हुआ था कि जब संडे क्लास का आइडिया आया, मैंने क्लास में तो बोला कि चलो करेंगे बट कोई स्पेस नहीं था। तो ऑल द हाउसेज हियर आर मोस्टली लाइक डिलैपिडेटेड हाउसेज। तो एक स्टूडेंट था, उसकी मम्मी किसी के घर में यूज्ड टू बी अ डोमेस्टिक हेल्प एंड शी सेड कि एक बेसमेंट है। तो वहाँ पे जो जिनका घर है गुप्ता जी, वो स्ट्रेंजर्स थे, हम भी स्ट्रेंजर्स थे, बट वी वेंट टू देयर हाउस एंड वी सेड कि कैन वी स्टार्ट संडे क्लास एंड लाइक दिस इज़ द आइडिया एंड वी वांट टू स्टार्ट। And he immediately said yes. So we got that support. But to add to that, before that, we had approached other people that we had, volunteered with, kind of through organizations that we wanted, to start Sunday class. Though that execution part, जो आप बोल रहे हो, specifically before we got the basement, before we met Gupta ji, I was told to my face by people that how can you do this? You know, you're a woman. How are you going to do this? इतना organization manage तुम कैसे कर लोगी? You're too young to do this. You know, these things were said to my face, and I was like a 20-something-year-old, 9-year-old. ऐसा भी नहीं था कि मैं बिल्कुल बच्ची थी और ये बोल रहे थे. They're telling this to an adult woman. And then my husband, Dr. Anurup Mitra, and the two of us decided कि और कोई करे ना करे, we are going to do it, and that's how.
That's how the idea was executed.
Executed, yes.
Sure. So for 8-9 years you have been consistent for this journey. So what is your core motivation? What inspires you to be consistent on this path?
The kids.
The kids.
Of course, if they're showing up, they're doing their bit. So you know that is that is my inspiration, because they have no obligation कि उठ के Sunday को class आए. They have no obligation. They are not paying a fee. It's free. तो वो नहीं भी आए तो उनका कोई loss नहीं है. But वो फिर भी आते हैं. So they are my inspiration.
All your 8-9 year journey, you have been doing all of this. So you have been going through some changes. The children have been going through some changes. So what changes you have observed, and are these changes you have observing or you are going through satisfactory?
Okay. So there, because Sunday class is not just studying theory or studying from a book or textbook, it is everything is hands-on, and it's not just academics, because we are talking about, you know, right from childhood we've been telling them कि child sexual abuse क्या होता है, and you are never at fault. We are telling them about periods, girls, boys, सबको हमने सिखाया है. बचपन से बोला, you know, things like crushes को भी Indian उसमें बोला जाता है, नहीं किसी को, you know, you cannot have a crush on anybody. We said them that it is normal, but there's only limits to it, that you cannot do anything, but these things are natural, they're part of, you know, a human being's growth. So usme the growth today I see after, you know, having been with the kids for so long is, I know like many kids of my friends जो, you know, fancy schools में जाते हैं, 30-40,000 rupees महीने का जाता है, वहाँ पे भी periods को सिर्फ लड़कियों को बताया जाता है. संडे क्लास में लड़के लड़कियों को बताया गया है, मैंने किया है खुद. एंड टुडे आवर बॉयज़ गो एंड बाई पैड्स फॉर द वुमेन इन देयर फैमिली. मुझे पीरियड्स का कुछ दवाई चाहिए होता है, दर्द होता है, आई कॉल वन ऑफ माई बॉयज़ एंड से मुझे ना ये दवाई मिल नहीं रही है, मेरे पीरियड्स में बहुत वो होता है, कैन यू प्लीज़ बाय इट फॉर मी. दीज आर थिंग्स यू कॉन्ट क्वान्टिफाई. ये रिजल्ट में कहीं नहीं दिखेगा, कहीं मार्क्स में नहीं दिखेगा, बट दीज आर चेंजेस जो जनरेशनल है, जो यू नो फॉर इनके डॉटर्स, इनके वाइफ्स की लाइव्स are going to become easier, and for the girls also. When we had taken a session on say menstruation, तब हमारे गर्ल्स से इनका शुरू नहीं हुआ था. तो उनका जब पीरियड स्टार्ट हुए, they said कि दीदी डर नहीं लगा, हमें पता था कि क्या है. So similar child sexual abuse, we have heard, you know, kids come and tell us their parents don't know about these things, but we know about these things. So marks and वो तो है कि हमने बच्चों को अच्छे schools में डाले हैं, अच्छी पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, वो तो एक एस्पेक्ट जो मेन एस्पेक्ट है, दैट इज़ गोइंग वेल, बट एट द सेम टाइम द ह्यूमन बींग्स दैट दे आर, द काइंड ऑफ other growth and exposure that they're having, that to me is maybe not quantifiable. You won't have them on the result, but that is very important to me, and I'm very happy with that aspect.
Are these aspects or changes satisfactory for you, or are they not?
To a certain extent, definitely, because जहाँ पे मैंने start किया था उसके हिसाब से तो I mean there's a huge change. I will not say it is perfect. There's always a long way to go. There's always, you know, you can only get better, but definitely कि जो हुआ है, it has been for the better. We have always strived for it, and I think we've gotten there. For sure, like I said, some aspects I'm very satisfied. Like the periods part, the child abuse awareness part, I'm very satisfied with where the kids are today. That they're so open and frank, and they can come tell us and know that we will support them. So those, yes.
So let's proceed to the next segment of our interview or
Sure.
podcast. It's the rapid fire segment.
Oh no. Will I get a hamper?
Yeah, for sure. Bring the hamper. So for this round, I will say a word, or you have to tell one related word that's come to your mind in 10 or 15 seconds. Take your time.
Okay.
So the
One
first
line is allowed, right? Not
yeah,
just
one line or
okay,
one
yeah,
word,
okay,
both are
okay.
allowed. So first word is society.
Pretty closed. Yeah, long way to go.
Long way to go.
Yeah.
Second word is education.
Essential.
Essential. Humanity.
Not as important as we think we are.
Welfare. What do you think about welfare?
I think everybody needs to do a bit of it, help out, do some welfare, but not feel obligated or pressurized by it also. The balance is important.
Children. Next word is children.
If it's my Sunday class kids, then I have one tagline to describe them. टेढ़े हैं पर मेरे हैं.
Learning,
Should be interesting, useful, and fun.
arts,
Very important for overall development and creativity.
that was good to know about your thoughts and all.
Thank you.
They were quite honest and quite interesting to know.
Thank you.
So, do you watch movies?
Because of my husband, I'm not a movie buff, but he is. So yeah.
What kind of movie do you watch? What was the last movie you watched?
Do Patti, I think that Kajol in it.
Netflix.
So Netflix. So for me, I like movies which are based on real life. So those are the kind of movies I like. So Catch Me If You Can, those kind of movies.
So, do you think movies or the art or the music have an important or integral role in education?
Yes, they can be. They can also be negative. But if, like for example, I think movies like Tare Zameen Par or even a movie like Hichki, I reflect, like I felt when I watched Hichki, I felt, they've made a movie on my life.
Yeah,
You know,
for sure.
yeah.
I was just relating to it. When I had a call with you, the same thing, when I talked to you, you said you have a group of 8 to 12 students that you have been nurturing for past 8 to 9 years.
Right.
The same sequence, that last Hichki scene, when all the students gather around her, that just clicked in the mind.
Right. Oh, okay. Yeah, I thought that movie, and I thought, they've basically made a movie on my life. So
For sure,
yeah.
the children were outcasts in that movie.
Right.
The school was admitting them because of the obligation by government.
Correct. Yes. Yes.
For all the facts I think it's kind of similar
Yes,
story.
it is.
So, discussing about your journey, so what was the problem you faced?
So
If you have to enumerate some.
A lot of the kids also, I would say that, because when I met the kids, a lot of them were complete, like they were gambling, they would bunk school, there would be dropouts, and even drinking,
Social
drugging.
evils,
Yeah,
basic social
exactly,
evils.
social evils, all of that. So handling that, counseling them, getting them back into school. So all of that has been a journey, and a lot of the families, actually, fathers are alcoholic. So when I used to go like 8 in the morning to their homes, and I would be talking to a completely drunk man at 8 a.m. Something that I have, of course, not used to. It's a safety issue for me, if nothing else. So dealing with these kind of things were very hard, and but here we are today.
So we have discussed the problems in your past. If a newcomer wants to join your journey, wants to do something similar, what are the problems still standing in your society, our society?
आई थिंक 8 years बैक जो प्रॉब्लम्स थे, अभी भी वो प्रॉब्लम्स है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 8-10 बच्चों में families में change हुआ है, but overall in the rest of our country, I think it is still the same, that girls not getting educated, even boys, like I said, कि child labor में डालना, families को समझाना कि education long term में क्या benefit ला सकते, because for them it's like कि immediately you want results, immediately you want money. So a child who is 12 years old आज daily labor का काम करेगा तो 400 रुपये वो शाम तक घर पे लाएगा, but understanding कि अगर वो 10 साल पढ़ लेगा वो हर महीने 40,000 रुपये घर लाएगा, and वो एक safe AC ऑफिस में बैठ के कंप्यूटर में टाइप करके लाएगा. All of this has to be, that message has to be given to the people, or like you said, if somebody else wants to do it, to the parents, to the families, तभी हो पाएगा.
Awareness, you think? Lack of awareness is the
lack of
problem.
awareness of the benefits of
education.
Yes.
Quite interesting to know that. So you started your journey 8 years ago, है ना? And what is the difference in your journey? Like you are still doing what you were doing 8 years ago. So what's the difference when you started, and what is changed? What you are doing now?
Okay, so I think when we started, of course, तब बहुत basic चीज़ें थी, basic education देना है, कि हमारा goal था कि ये बच्चे class 8 तक, class 10th तक पढ़ाई complete करें, because 4-5 के बाद ज़्यादातर dropouts है. To get to that was the goal. Now as time has gone by, today most of my kids have passed class 10, बस 2 ही बच्चे हैं अभी 10th कर रहे हैं, एक कॉलेज में हैं, काफ़ी सारे class 12 कर रहे हैं. ये goals हमने तब सोचा ही नहीं था कि possible है reach करना. Today we are there, and at the same time not just, when I went to that सरकारी school, उसमें ना furniture था, ना toilets थे, ना water supply था. Today we've been able to get some of our girls into really good, well-established CBSE English medium schools, which was unimaginable. When we started, we did not think कि हम ये कर पाएंगे. But आज हमारी लड़कियाँ अच्छे बड़े schools में पढ़ रही हैं. So these
For
are...
our audience, can you tell me how many students are still there in your class?
So we started off with around 20 something, but over time हमने खुद से, because we knew कि we had to give क्वालिटी, यू नो,
quantity,
नॉट
yeah.
क्वांटिटी. हमें पता था कि मैं और अनुरूप 100 को नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो ऐसे नैरो डाउन करते करते फाइनली वी हैड कम डाउन टू 12. सो उसमें से 2 क्लास 10 में हैं, बाकी हैव पास क्लास 10. वन ऑफ देम हैज हैड टू स्टार्ट वर्किंग बिकॉज ऑफ फैमिली कंडीशंस, सो ही इज़ वर्किंग. अदर देन दैट सारे बच्चे क्लास 11 12 कॉलेज में पढ़ रहे हैं.
So if you were not with the children, can you imagine what were their lives? कि अगर आप उनसे नहीं जुड़ते, आज उनकी लाइफ कैसे अलग होती? Is there any case you want to share?
Yeah, I mean, very for the girls, I feel, or for a lot of them, I think, मतलब शादी हो गई होती है, honestly speaking. 1-2 का तो मुझे लगता है, because उसके ही classmate है जिसकी शादी हो चुकी है, बच्चा हो चुका है. So and our girl is in class 10. So ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ होता आई थिंक. एंड बॉयज़ के तो फॉर श्योर अभी तक वो लेबर का काम कर रहे होते हैं, एंड दे वुड डेफिनेटली बी ड्रिंकिंग और डूइंग ड्रग्स, बिकॉज वी नो किड्स हु गॉन टू जेल. किड्स जो इनके ही दोस्त हैं वो जेल जा चुके हैं. सो दैट वुड हैव बीन द कॉन्ट्रास्ट आई थिंक.
What is peace for you? If you are looking at your journey and in your life general, what is definition of peace for you?
I wish I had more of it, but I would say simply I would say sitting down, having a cup of coffee with my husband and with the kids, we have them home. Basically, they come and stay with us also. Just that, just that is peace. That I'm not worried about, अरे इसकी मम्मी तो कल स्कूल नहीं भेजेगी इसके. Not that. Just being there in the moment, being happy with everybody. That itself is peaceful.
Yeah, we have discussed your past, the problems you have faced. So, what are the future plans you're looking at? Ki what will be done in future by Sunday class we expect?
So, when we started out, जो हमारा aim था, कम बच्चे लेंगे, but 10-15 साल इनके साथ रहना है. That was the idea. We didn't know कि वो possible होगा कि नहीं. But now that it's been 8 years with them, to support them in the next at least 5-6 years of their journey, because अभी ये सब critical point में है, where अब college next year तक hopefully some of our girls will be in college. Because somebody wants, we were talking when you guys came in, हम लोग career counseling कर रहे थे, मैं और अनुरूप. किसी को पुलिस में जाना है, कोई कॉलेज में है तो 2 साल बाद कैसा जॉब करना है, what are the skills he will need, how we will be able to support our kids in that journey, to how to get them to their goal, financial counseling, all of that. So that is what we are working on, to make sure that finally they get to a place where they have lives where they are stable, एक stable income है, safe environment में काम कर रहे हैं. That is what our final aim is.
So, for summarizing the interview, what does Sunday class means to you? What is the
It's
meaning?
my
of
baby.
It's your baby. If you have to elaborate, what will you say?
It's something which, from a simple idea कि मैं Sunday का होके पढ़ाऊँगी, to turn into what it is today. Sometimes I forget the impact, and Onurup often has to remind me that I'll get upset कि अरे यार इसकी मम्मी ने ये नहीं बोला, ये नहीं भेजा, इसने नहीं पढ़ाया और इसने पढ़ाई नहीं की, इसने. He reminds me that you're forgetting that the changes that you have seen in the kids. Like I said, buying a pad for a boy, a teenage boy, to go and buy a pad in an environment like this is a huge deal. So these kind of things. So for me, I think Sunday class has been the hardest journey I've been on, but it's been the best journey that I've been on.
In the society that we are currently living, in my society also, for not the children, in my society, it's also stigmatized for
Right.
boys to talk about periods and all,
Correct.
to buy pads for their even family members like mother and sister.
Right.
It's stigmatized for me also.
Right.
Understanding the thing that children coming from that background are doing, it's kind of motivating for me and for society. If you, what do you think? What is the role of youth or government? What we can say, what is the role of masses in change? What will you say?
So, basic change has to come from your own home. If a parent is treating a daughter and a son differently, something simple like one of my girls was telling me recently कि I did not know कि अगर मेरा भाई अपना खाना का प्लेट उठा के नहीं रख रहा है और वो मेरा ड्यूटी है, I did not even know कि ये गलत है, वो क्यों अपना प्लेट नहीं रखेगा. So that change has to, so the masses, you cannot change the mass. It has to be at an individual and then at a family level. वो ही धीरे धीरे building blocks होके masses में change ला सकता है. So that.
So one message for youth or the upcoming generation you will give. एक message youth के लिए क्या रहेगा?
So my journey was a lot about following my heart, and I would suggest that it will not be an easy journey. You should follow your heart for sure. But no, it will not be an easy journey. But you should do it anyway, because that love and that satisfaction and the happiness you get from forging your own path, where nobody has been before. You have created that path. That is extremely satisfying and fulfilling. So do that.
It was very good talking to you about your
Thank you
journey,
so much.
about all the struggles and problems you have faced, and most inspiring part for me was that after 8-9 years, you are still hoping, you are still working on your project. The idea is that you just one day you got. For a young person like me, it's kind of motivating or moving.
Thank you. And I just want to say, for me, though we call it Sunday class, the class itself is maybe 5% of what we do. Baki 95% happens outside in their lives, how we can love and support them. And for me, they're not just my students, they are my children, they're my kids, they're my family. So that's what I do.
Thank you for interacting, ma'am. It was really nice talking to you.
It was really nice talking to you too. Thank you for the wonderful questions. Very interesting.
So youth should connect to topics like this, apart from all the political and non-political stuff. The welfare part is what youth should connect, I think.
Yes.
Yeah.
Seva, it's simple.
Seva.
Seva, you can do that. You can do a lot if you do even a little bit of it.
So continuing our talk about the Sunday class, we welcome the co-founder/founder of Sunday class, Dr. Anurup Mitra.
Thank you.
So sir, a basic intro to our audience.
About okay, so I am from BITS Pilani. I have a PhD in electronics and chip design. I can play the tabla. I am trained in Indian classical music. I think that should do.
आप जैसे हर किसी की जर्नी का कोई टर्निंग पॉइंट रहता
जी.
है. What was turning point of your journey?
फॉर द संडे क्लास यू
For
मीन
the Sunday
स्पेसिफिकली
classes,
यार सच बताए तो लाइफ के हर मोड़ पे कुछ देयर हैज़ बीन समथिंग न्यू टू लर्न. संडे क्लास हैज़ बीन बिकॉज ऑफ माई वाइफ. सो मैं पढ़ाते आ रहा हूँ बहुत बचपन से. सो बचपन मतलब व्हेन द टाइम आई वाज लेट्स से योर एज 22, 23, 24. सो आई वाज डूइंग माई मास्टर्स एट बिट्स. आई वॉज ऑल्सो अ टीचिंग असिस्टेंट. तो वहाँ पे ऑफ कोर्स दैट वाज टेक्निकल टॉपिक्स. तो पढ़ाए तब से पढ़ा रहा हूँ मैं. So I am very comfortable with and very used to the idea of teaching. तो जर्नी कह सकते हो कि आप तब से चालू हुआ. बाकी बीवी ने जब खींच लिया हमें संडे क्लास में, आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी टू पार्टिसिपेट बिकॉज आई हैव टॉट एवरीबडी फ्रॉम किंडरगार्टन किड्स टू PhD स्टूडेंट्स. सो फॉर मी इट वॉज लाइक आई एम रेडी.
So what is the core inspiration/motivation to pursue this journey on regular basis?
Yeah, I think inspiration always is to make a change somewhere. Sometimes a little bit in myself, a little bit in others, because and India especially is a country where you can change a lot of things for the better. There are many opportunities where you can make a small change, and so yeah, this was the motivation.
So looking at Sunday classes, how can you say it's different from all the conventional schools or conventional source of education, you can say?
Yeah, see, I see education largely there is a tendency to commoditize education. उसको मतलब you pay money, I will give you a degree.
Highly commercialized.
Yes,
highly
it
commercialized.
becomes transactional, you know. And so we say that we don't want to make it transactional. We want to add some value to it. And you know, see what happens is, not to gloat, but because I have a higher degree in engineering, it's very easy for me to see what kids will require a few years from now. So we do our projects, we do our classes so that we bring in what they might require. A little bit of hands-on STEM, little bit of robots banao, little bit of this and that. Sometimes it's arts ki ChatGPT use karke 2 minute ka skit prepare karke acting karo. It's not necessarily sciences. So our idea is that the real world, unlike education, is not containerized. उसमें बताया नहीं जाता कि अभी science का इस्तेमाल होगा, अभी mathematics का होगा, अभी arts का होगा. The real world is the real world. So we give them real world problems and we say use whatever you will.
In your journey of these 8-9 years, you have observed many changes in your students and children. So what are the main changes you have observed, like in their life overall, general changes?
Yeah, I think, well, they've definitely grown up as people. So the normal changes which come with growing up have been there in terms of, I mean that in terms mentally, कि विचार खुल गए हैं. I think one of the most helpful changes which has happened is कि family has finally figured out कि अंतरा और मैं, we are doing something maybe which might help the kids. So they've come around. I think that's an important change. And what is also happening is one of the girls was saying that, you know, there was a debate in her school and, you know, she was fighting for women's rights, etc. And I am very happy that that's a change which probably wouldn't have happened otherwise with a girl of, let's say, this social strata who can stand up and say that women should have these rights and or those rights and men shouldn't have this. I find that a very big quantifiable change.
So, do you watch movies?
Lots of them, man.
What's your favorite genre? What was the last one you watched?
The last one I watched is not going to be a good judge, but I can tell you one of the movies which I loved is The Prestige. I don't know if you've seen it. It's so it's a bit of a costume drama, bit of a mystery, bit of magic, bit of so I am any movie which is good, I will like it, man. It has to be good.
It has to be.
Yes.
Good. So, do you think movies, arts, or culture as a part of education or awareness?
Yes, I think in fact you make that's a good question in the sense that I think that music, arts and culture are not given as much importance as they should be. You know, we are, no curriculum says, you know, music भी हुआ तो that is additional में ले लेना भाई, या तो इसमें हारमोनियम सिखा देंगे थोड़ा सा. So there is no focus on that, you know, and as a result of course you just see कि बाहर भी लोग ये PCM लेके हमें PCM करना है, ये करना है. Nobody's talking about being a musician, nobody's talking about being an artist, and you know these are the things which more than the sciences or engineering can hold people together. मैं शास्त्रीय संगीत सुन के जितना उसमें, you know, it will bring peace to so many people that, and it is not taught. आर्ट्स में वंडरफुल पेंटिंग देख के मुझे आंखों में आंसू आ सकता है, एंड इट इज़ नॉट टॉट. तो आई थिंक दैट येस, आर्ट्स नीड्स टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द मेन करिकुलम than a lot of the garbage that we do otherwise. Listening to you, you remind me of this saying. I also heard it's in one line that today's education teaches us how to earn a living, not how to live life. And I think there's a difference, and I think the inclusion of the of arts, of art and of music, etc., would bring a more cohesive society. You are right.
If you have to summarize, what does Sunday classes means to you?
Sunday class, yeah, that's my family for me. You know, people talk about their kids proudly. I talk about the Sunday class kids proudly, just like, you know, my wife and I chose not to have any kids, and we thought that we could live a peaceful life to take care of it. But God had other ideas. He said, here are 12 people you need to take care of. So we talk about them like we talk about anybody else, like your parents would talk about you. So we are very proud that they've done this. We are very happy. Sometimes we are upset if, you know, they've done something we didn't want. So it's like that.
One message or one thing you want to tell the upcoming generation or youth?
I say that, you know, you've come to this earth, it might not be obvious, with a purpose. And I think it's important to find out that purpose and fulfill it.
So finding the purpose is the main objective of life. If you have to find your purpose, people, find your purpose.
Purpose ना भी मिले तो pay your rent on this earth. कुछ ना कुछ करने लग जाओ. Don't wait to find your purpose to start something. I think we should just start doing something, whether we are good at it or not. जैसे कि तुम लोग कर रहे हो, I think that's wonderful. बाकी हो जाएगा. That's the rent we'll have to pay.
It was nice understanding your thoughts, knowing about them. We really liked it. I personally enjoy talking to you.
Same here, man. I love talking to you.
Thank you, sir.
तो ये थी आज की हमारी बातचीत संडे क्लासेस के फाउंडर के साथ. आशा करता हूँ आप भी बदलाव में अपना योगदान देंगे और समाज को एक अच्छी दिशा में ले जाएंगे. धन्यवाद.
इस यात्रा के उतारों और चढ़ावों को देखकर और अंतरा मैम और अनिरूप सर के बच्चों के प्रति प्रयासों को देखकर मुझे कुछ पंक्तियाँ याद आती है. सेवा वह नहीं जो दिखावा बन जाए, सेवा तो वह है जो निस्वार्थ बह जाए. दुख के बादलों को चीर जो खुशी का संदेशा लाए, ऐसी सेवा ही सच्ची पूजा कहलाए. अपने सुख को त्याग परायों के दर्द को जो समझे, उस हृदय को ही सच्चा इंसान कहा जाए. इसी बात के साथ अंत आता है हमारी एक और बदलाव की कहानी का. लेकिन हम फिर मिलेंगे एक नए बदलाव और एक नई कहानी के साथ. हमसे जुड़े रहें और ऐसे ही संघर्षों को सहारा देने के लिए हमारे इंस्टाग्राम @achal_welfare_foundation पर DM करें. तब तक के लिए शुक्राना, अलविदा, सत श्री अकाल. एंड डू रिमेंबर, a small step from your side can help someone to jump over long distances. Thank you.